You're outside here.
Come on.
Carry on.
You will get for my boss. You will get for my boss.
Madman.
Tell him I will get for my boss. White money. I beg. Now white money I want. White money. Thank you.
Hey, wait. Where are you going? Eh?
Where they for see dog now? Where they put for? I say I want to see white money.
White money. You get appointment with him.
Who be this one? Sef? Which time they put?
So, Oga no get time. I dey on my work, so you.
Hey, hello. It's like your brain is doing overeating. If they don't, they give una 50 naira now. Go come begin misbehave. You this useless area boy. I mean, my pass. Come
Hello. What's up for you?
You just enter say you want to see white money. Wait here happen.
Hey, Mr. Man, who are you?
Thank you, Daddy. Your mother, God bless you.
Hey, look. Are you mad? Who are you?
Hey.
How is family?
I said, what do you want?
Now, white money, I was.
White money. Want to see white money?
Why you gonna look me? I don't understand. I want to see white money. Tell her, say Baba official, the #1 internet dating doctor, the only talk can do in the universe, the only man that do wickedness for a living. The CEO of Wicked Men Association want to see. Tell her, say na me. Tell her, he go come out.
Hey, Mr. Man, calm down. If I went inside right now, and what my white money tell me that you don't give your appointment, you will be in trouble.
Chai!
Yes.
I think they do this one.
Yes.
Where is it no conflict? Even you, where are you say?
Hello. Stay with you.
You no fit go anywhere. I dey with you.
Try to advise this boy. Make no dey open door.
Oga, you go chop beat it.
Everybody think na 32. You know na 35. I no understand.
You don tell me I don dey beat person, but today I go beat you very well. You white money.
Try to brush you. Your mouth dey smell. Try to brush.
Yes.
What's
happening here?
You just came inside and said
I beg you don't do. White money, how you doing?
Drop your hands down. What is happening here? What is it? Yes.
Wow, no be so life you. Now like this, we dey talk about white money. You collect money finish now, you ignore me, you no come know me again, nothing. Now so life you.
I don't understand. Which one be who they? Which one be say? You say. Well, life be how?
CC finish. Just now, you don't see me finish white money. You don't forget the agreement when we get 60-40. You don't forget. He say when you come my shine, when we come.
I no dey alright at all. I come meet you for my very, very important. Big brother, I won't go that thing. But I won't go so I go like make you give me some kind, you understand, 1 or 2. So if I enter there, people just dey like me, vote me. If I win, I come out 60-40.
Say no more. You give me 60-40. Now me say I go take 40% out of this.
Any money wey dem give me, take 40, I take 60.
Now be say you don't win already now. You don't win. I am Baba official, the #1 internet dating doctor. I am the only talk I do.
I believe you.
Anything we are talking about for you now, confirm.
No. I won't go for the audition like this. Don't do what you want.
Make I tell you something. I don't see the future. Are you with me? Yes. What you just need to do? I don't need give you juju. I don't need give you charm at all. If you don't enter that house, listen to me carefully. First day when you enter house, calm down, rest. Second day, begin the enter kitchen, they cook for people. As you they cook, they mop, they sweep. Just they move for there. If they talk, no talk. Another thing, try the sing. They play, they do like saying that you be comedian. Understand? If you don't feel good, this one is going.
Finish.
And the last thing, when you no go do, no fuck any woman. If you do all this thing, forget that.
Okay, but all this thing will tell me if I do am, I go win. I go win.
Are you dancing the gods of Ugolo?
Who dey? Baba Agba, who dey? I go win. 60-40. No wahala. Might not come out from
agreement.
My win o.
Agreement.
No wahala. 60-40.
No wahala.
Baba Agba international.
Everywhere good.
Who dey?
No be so e be.
Baba. You give me juju. No be advice you advise me. You tell me things to do. I do am. Now you give me juju. No juju, you don't give me juju now. So which one be 60-40? See, try this guy.
Me, I no give you juju for your mouth. After you come, when I tell you things, what you go do, you can't work out for you 60-40, you can't say I don't give you.
No be advice. No be advice. Na advice na. No be you no give me juju. I come for you to give me juju. You no give me juju. You give me advice. You tell me things to do. I do am.
No be me tell you say make you dey watch me for Big Brother house. No be me tell you say make you dey. No wahala na.
Hello man, walk majestically outside here.
I am comot. You be here for my boss.
I am
You be here for my boss.
madman. Take him out.
You be here for my boss.
Go put am inside river.
Take him out for my compound, Jare.
Go put am inside river.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Good day, white money.
Yeah. Good day. Who am I talking to?
This is Ebuka from Big Brother Nigeria.
Ebuka Ude.
How are you doing?
Oh, Ebuka, I did, Ebuka.
Yeah, white money. We won't waste much of your time. After thoroughly checking our voting website and concerning because you just completed Big Brother Nigeria 2021, we got to understand that you are not the winner. The true winner is Nico Rose. Yes, we would like you to return everything given to you back to the Big Brother Nigeria house with immediate effect. Failure to do so.
Ebuka, that one no fit work. It is same I don't know my rights. People don't vote for me. Na me they win this. Na me claim this
Failure
thing now.
to do that. We would come after you. Good day.
Ebuka, don't follow me talk that one. No, I know my rights. People vote for me well for this thing. No, I don't know today for that. Hello, Ebuka. Now, let's Ebuka follow me the drag.
Oga, wetin happen?
See Ebuka.
Oga, wetin happen na?
Baba Agba. Ewe Baba.